Hello friends, my name is Jayant. I study in grade 5. Welcome to my YouTube channel Maths with Jayant. I post math videos and through my videos I share the concepts with you. Today we are going to learn about multiplication tricks for fast calculation. Suppose we have a question 97 into 98. How much time will this take? 1 second, 2 seconds. You are going to get the answer so fast. But suppose we have a question 27 into 11. 1 second. Yeah, just 1 second. So, to learn cool tricks with me, be with me till the end of the video. And now, let us get started with today's topic. So now, let us solve the questions of the first category. That is multiplication of numbers, the numbers that are close to 100. So in this we will get three types of questions. The first is both the numbers are less than 100, both the numbers are greater than 100, and one number less than 100 into one number greater than 100. So how do we solve questions like these? First let us start with our first type, where both the numbers are lesser than 100. So, step 1. We need to check how much less this is from 100. 97 is 3 lesser than 100. 98 is 2 lesser than 100. This was our step 1. Second step, we have to do cross subtraction. Like, we will either do 98 minus 3 or 97 minus 2. Any of them we do, it will give us the same answer, 95. This works for any sort of a question. And then the third step, 3 into 2. We have to do 3 into 2 is 6. We have to write the answer in 2 digits. So we will write 0, 6. Like this, we will get our answer as 97 into 98, 9506. Let us solve one more question. 94 into 96. Step 1. Check how much lesser the numbers are. 94 is 6 lesser, 96 is 4 lesser. Do cross. 94 minus 4 or 96 minus 6 gives us 96 into 4 gives us 24. 9024. Now let us solve questions like these even more faster. Like we get 91 into 89. How do we solve this? This is 9 lesser, this is 11 lesser. To cross we get 809 into 1199. So our answer is 8099. Now let us solve the second way, where both the numbers are greater than 100. How do we solve this? Over here we checked how much lesser the number is than 100. Over here we'll check how much more it is than 100. 102 is 2 more than 100. 104 is 4 more than 100. And this was our step 1. Second step, over here we did cross subtraction. Now we'll do cross addition. 102 plus 4 or 104 plus 2. Anything we do gives us 106. Now, and our third step, just multiply them. 2 into 4 gives us 8. Write the answer in 2 digits. You will get 10608. Now, let us solve the next question. That is 103 into 107. 103 is, first step is to check how much more it is. 103 is 3 more, 107 is 7 more. Second step, cross addition. 103 plus 7 gives us 110, so into 7 gives us 21. 11,021. Now we will solve the question really fast. Let's take one more example. Like 108 into 112. This is 8 more, this is 12 more. Cross gives us 1208 into 12 gives us 96. See how fast we are getting the answers. Now let us solve a third type. That is, we here one number is lesser than 100, the other number is more than 100. How do we solve questions like these? Step 1. Check if this number is lesser than 100, this number is more than 100. Over here we know. So we have to check how much lesser this is than 100. This is 2 less than 100. And now we'll check how much more this is than 100. So this is plus 1. Second step, again we have to do cross addition or subtraction. 98 plus 1 gives us 99. 101 minus 2 also gives us 99. You can do whichever is simpler for you. Like this we got an answer as 99. Now over here there's a small difference. Unlike the other two ones, we have to first put 2 zeros over here. Then 2 into 1 gives us 2. We've got to subtract that. 9900 minus 2 gives us 9898. This is the answer. Now let us solve questions like these more faster. 97 into 103. 97, first step is to check whether number is more than 100 or lesser than 100. So 97 is 3 lesser, 103 is 3 more. If we do cross, we get 100, put 2 more zeros, 3 into 3 gives us 9, subtract, we get 9991. So our final answer is 9991. Now let us solve another question a bit more faster. 96 into 105. This is 4 lesser, this is 5 more. We do cross, we get 10100. 4 into 5 gives us 20. Like this we subtract and we get 10,080. 10,080 is the final answer. Over here we can see with these tricks how faster we get our answers. Now let us move on to our next trick. Now let us solve the questions where we multiply by 11. Let's take an example 27 into 11. How do we solve this? Step 1, write this number over here, write this number over here. Step 2, add these numbers and write it. Our answer is 297. Let's solve one more question like this. 34 into 11. 3 here, 4 here, 7 here, because 3 plus 4 gives us 7. So you see how fast we got our answers in this way. Let us solve some more questions like these where we are multiplying by 11. Suppose the question is 49 into 11. How do we solve this? 4 over here, 9 over here, 4 plus 9, 13. Whenever the number is 10 or more, this one goes carry forward with the next one. 1 plus 4 gives us 5, now write 3 and 9 as it is. Answer is 539. Let's solve 74 into 11. 7 here, 4 here, 7, 4, 11. 1 carry forward, like this our answer comes as 814. So, you see over here how fast we are getting our answers. Now, you might be wondering, does this work for 3-digit numbers? Let us check. Suppose the question is 432 into 11. Write 4 over here, write 2 over here. Now 2 plus 3, 5, 3 plus 4, 7. 4, 7, 5, 2 is the answer. Now let's suppose we have a question as 540 is 6 into 11. So write 5 over here, write 6 over here. 6 plus 4, 10. Now this one is going to go carry forward for the next one. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 1 gives us 10. Again, this one goes carry forward. Then 1 plus 5 gives us 6. So our answer comes as 6006. So this is a trick to multiply any number with 11. Now let us do the multiplication, like solve the multiplication of any two 3-digit numbers that have 0 in the middle, like 203 into 401. But here we have taken two 3-digit numbers that have 0 in the middle. So let's see how to solve multiplication like this. First step, multiply this with this. 1 3s are 3. Write the answer in 2 digits. Second step, we have to cross multiply. That means you have to multiply 4 with 3 and 2 with 1. Write them in this side. 4 gives us 12 and 2 into 1 gives us 2. We add them and we get 14. Write that 14 over here. Now 4 into 2 gives us 8. Our answer is 81,403. Now let us solve questions faster using this trick. Let's say we have a question 506 into 704. Like this, 6 and 4s are 24, 7 6 are 42, 5 4s are 20. Like this, 42 plus 20 gives us 62, and 7 5s are 35. Answer is 3,56,224. Now let us make the numbers even more bigger. 708 into 809. 8 9s are 72, 8 8s are 64, 7 9s are 63. Add the 127. Another number of 3 digit or more, this one goes carry forward. We'll just write the 27 over here. 8 sons are 56, 56 plus 1, 57. Our answer is 572772 of 5,72,772. Now let us move on to our last trick. But our last trick is the most special trick because we can multiply any 2-digit numbers with them. Let it be 92 into 26, 76 into 54, 48 into 64. Any numbers it can be. So first let us solve our first question, that is 21 into 22. What is our first step? First step is multiply this with this. Like if these are the numbers, then multiply this with this. 2 1s are 2. Second step, we have to do the cross multiply and write them on the side. So 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. We add them, we get 6, write that 6 over here. Then, so we did the cross multiplication. Then multiply this with this. 2 into 2 gives us 4. And our answer is 462. And now we have multiplied like this. Now, if we join all of them, we get a bow sort of a shape. But this trick is also called the bow tie method. Now let us solve the second type of question. So 34 into 71. First step, 4 1s are 4. You have to first multiply these. Second step, cross multiply this like this. 3 1s are 3, 7 4s are 28. We add them and we get 31. Whenever the answer is 10 or more, write the number in the unit place and this goes carry forward. 7 into 3, 21 plus 3, 24. So our answer is 2414, 2414. Now let us solve the next question. 98 into 76. 8 6 are 40. Now over here itself, if we get an answer that is bigger than 10 or 10 or bigger than 10, so we add that with the cross multiplies. 7 8s are 56, 9 6 are 54. We add them and like this we get 114. Now the 4 comes here, this 11 goes carry forward over here. Yes, 11 goes carry forward. 7 9s are 63. 63 plus 11 gives us 74. The answer is 7,448. Let us solve a few more questions like these. So, solving a few more questions like these. Let's check 56 into 48. Now we have solved really fast. 6 8s are 48, 8 comes here, 4 comes here, 4 6 are 24, 5 8s are 40. Like this we add them, we get 68, 8 comes here, 6 carry forward, 4 5s are 20 into 6, 26. Let's solve one more question. 86 into 24 or 86 into 74. 6 4s are 24, 2 comes here, 7 6 are 42, 8 4s are 32. Like this we add them. 42 plus 32 is 74 plus 2 76. 6 comes here, 7 comes here. 7 8s are 56 plus 7 63. So our answer is 6,364. So hope you understood how to use these multiplication tricks and how to solve them. Hope you like the tricks. Thank you.